This is out. While everyone's panicking about AI taking jobs, 3 digital marketing skills just became more valuable than ever. And here's the crazy part. Companies are paying 40% more for people who have them. So here's what's happening. Most people think digital marketing is dead because of AI. But that's completely wrong. See? AI can write copy and create ads, sure. But it can't do the 3 things that actually matter. First skill, customer psychology. AI doesn't understand why a 47-year-old buys differently from a 27-year-old. It can't read between the lines of customer feedback or spot emotional triggers that actually convert. Companies are desperate for people who can bridge this gap. Second, strategic thinking. AI creates tactics, but it can't build long-term marketing strategies. It doesn't know when to pivot campaigns or how to connect marketing to business goals. This skill is worth its weight in gold right now. But here's the third skill that blew my mind. Data storytelling. Everyone has data now, but almost nobody can turn numbers into stories that executives actually understand. If you can take analytics and explain what they mean for the business, you're basically untouchable. And get this, these aren't technical skills. You don't need to code or understand algorithms. These are human skills that get more valuable as technology advances. I just saw a 52-year-old land a 6-figure marketing role because he mastered these 3 areas. While younger candidates focused on the latest tools, he focused on what actually drives results. By 2025 and beyond, these skills will separate the marketing leaders from the marketing followers. The question is, will you master them before everyone else catches on? Or will you be trying to catch up when it's too late? Start with your free digital marketing career guide for 40+ professionals in the link below. And discover the exact step-by-step plan that's helped 500+ professionals smoothly transition into digital marketing.